Love it though. Bongo Collector Series 001. Welcome back, guys. We're back on the Bongo again. We're trying to fix it. In here is, or should be, from Bongo Spares, some, what is it called? Roll bar, anti-roll bar drop links, hopefully. Nice bit of brand in there. If you haven't ordered from Bongo Spares, I do recommend. They are pretty good. Just get a knife. You call that a knife? Now in here, I only ordered this yesterday and it's arrived today, which is pretty good. There we go. These are the anti-roll bar drop links for the front. Hopefully, haven't even looked at them, but they look right. Pretty big. Let's have a look. Now on the MOT, the list of the failures was one of these. These are going to be quite hard to move. Oh no, there you go. There you go, you can move them. This boot thing here had split, so it could let dirt in and stuff like that. So it was only one of them that failed, but I'm going to do both because might as well, while we're here, save some postage for next year having to do the other one. So might as well just do both at once. But that's that one, and all that is that bolt's there, and the joint in there allows it to move with the car. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, let's go and fit them. I didn't even notice in the bag, or in the envelope thing, invoice, not much fun, a magnet. I chucked a magnet in there. Love it. And a air freshener, Bongo Spares air freshener. A little pop top thing. Awesome! Little freebie. Now the question is she going to notice that there? How long do you reckon that's going to stay there for? We'll see if it's there on the next video, but I highly doubt it. Love it though. Bongo Collector Series 001. It's like a Pokemon card. I wonder if there's more of them. Like 002 is like one with the pop top already open, or I don't know. Anyway, just a magnet. Why am I getting so excited? Right, so there it is. I've just sprayed a bit of WD-40 on there, just to, on the where are you? On these, just to get them soaking for a bit, because they might be a bit stiff, and the same on the other side. But that is going to go there, so we're going to swap that. Hopefully, excuse me. Hopefully, it's going to be literally undo that, drop it out, put a new one in, do it back up. But I know that these sometimes have a bit of tension on them, trying to pull down. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get over that. Sometimes you can put a little bottle jack there just to push that a little bit, just to stop it drooping. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. But I'm just going to smear into it, and I'll just leave the camera rolling so you can watch, basically. So yeah, fingers crossed. there you go. That is literally it. 2 bolts. One thing to note is the old ones, wherever it's gone. These ones, they are slightly different, the original ones. There's a bolt on the back which is a 19, so you get a 19 on there, and the front is 17, the front bolt, which is that one, and I've just thrown it on the floor. So yeah, when you're holding it, use a 19 on the back and a 17 on the front. And then the one from Bongo Spares, as you saw in the video, you'll need, I've lost it now, wherever it's gone, a 14 on the back, and that just holds this part of the bolt to stop it spinning while you do the front one up. But that's a 19 on the Bongo Spares, so 17 doesn't fit. So the original is a 17 on the front, the new one's a 19 on the front, just to confuse things. But yeah, these are quite, they're pretty good. Didn't have to muck about with that anti-roll bar much, which is good. So just sort of pop the new one in and away you go. So now I've got to go and do the other side. Right, so there we go, wheels are back on. Done the other side as you've seen. These have all been torqued. Can't remember what to, but yep, just the old clicky torque meter. So yeah, another little job done. So where are we? Anti-roll bar, linkage, ball joint, dust cover, no longer prevents the ingress of dirt, near side front. So that's actually the first one we done, but like I said, we did both. So tick, that's one off the list. So what's next? Don't know, I have to work through it. But yeah, that'll do for now. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps somebody. Oh, hello. Very nice. My Halloween face paints are on. Anyway, yeah, sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helps somebody if you've failed your MOT on those ball joint link things. Might give you a bit of help to do it. Yeah, subscribe below if you haven't. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.